There's always that moment just before you start your ride when you're figuring out where to keep your essentials: phone, wallet, chargers. That's exactly why we built the all-new ACE tank bag, a compact 6-liter everyday companion designed for riders who want a sleek, hassle-free solution that blends seamlessly with the bike and handles everything from city runs to weekend getaways with ease. Small footprint and weighing just 600 grams, the ACE packs in a lot. A main compartment with a wide U opening, an adjustable divider inside for organizing your gear, a top zippered mesh pocket with key hook, 2 side zippers for things like your wallet that you might want quick access to, and a dedicated mesh pocket to store the rain cover. The ACE comes in 2 variants, the magnetic and the non-magnetic. The only difference is how they mount, and choosing the right one for you is pretty straightforward. If your bike has a metal tank, you have the choice to either use the ACE Magnetic or the ACE Universal. Obviously, the magnetic tank bag wins in terms of ease of mounting and removal and all the convenience that comes with it. It attaches instantly with a 4-point mounting system that uses 16 powerful neodymium magnets. If you're someone that prefers the peace of mind that comes with a strap-based tank bag, or if the fuel tank on your motorcycle has plastic cladding, the ACE Universal is the best match. It features a quick latch R-hook mounting system designed to be both secure and convenient for daily use. The straps are tank safe, stay out of the way, and can be tucked in cleanly when not needed. The ViaTerra ACE tank bags are built with simple idea of a minimal footprint that offers maximum functionality. On the bike or off it, the ACE moves with you. To find out more about the ACE tank bags or buy your own, head to viaterragear.com. And yes, we have made your life easier by putting a link in the description. Thanks for watching.